Hey, welcome to the channel. We've just got it back from the airport, and I was very excited because my new David Clark headset was on the doorstep in its box. So I'm really looking forward to taking a look at this. So this has been something I've been humming and hawing about for a very long time, and I finally gone ahead and I've ordered myself a BC1X noise cancelling headset. So I'm really looking forward to getting to use this. I'm going to be in the Super Cub all day tomorrow, so this is sort of perfect timing. Oh, look at that! Even comes with batteries. Wow, nothing comes with batteries anymore. That's fantastic. Okay, so we got some batteries and a clip here. Looks like to maybe hold the probably the power pack. Yep, that's what the instructions say. So we got that there. So that's pretty good. And get the box out of the way. Wow. Yeah, look at that. That is really nice. That is really nice and small. So, soft-sided carrying case. Ooh. Ooh. Last set of new David Clarks I bought was like 16 years ago. That is amazing. Okay. So soft case, not a ton of padding at all, actually. Not a lot of padding at all there. So you'd want to be careful with that. A couple of pockets, maybe to keep some batteries in. Not much else. That is nowhere near my H1013 4s. They're a much heavier case. It's still a soft case, but much heavier. You know, and a strap came with it, and ability to put some pens in the front and hold your license in a couple bits. That's a much smaller case. And much softer. That just really crumples down. So I guess we're gonna have to be pretty careful with this headset in here. Now here's one of the features I really liked about this, was how small it kind of all folded up. That is nice. That will be nice because I'm in and out of lots of airplanes and moving around, so carrying a big clunky headset does get a little tired. That feels nice though. That still feels nice and robust. Good quality on the cords. They're not plastic feeling. Some of the cheaper ones, the cords get like really tight. Wow. That's an excellent fit, actually. Just on the passive noise reduction there is very high. That is very light, very comfortable. Okay, so far I'm looking forward to this. Be able to let you know what it's like after I put 6 or 7 hours on the Cub tomorrow, but I think that's going to be really nice. Why don't we go ahead and get some batteries in? See what it does. Now this one's also got Bluetooth, so we'll be able to connect music or your cell phone. Cell phone I've actually found quite useful for a little bit of my IFR flying, picking up clearances at airports that don't have ATC and you got a phone in. It's also been really useful for picking up customs information. You can call a little ahead of time just as you're landing or taxiing in, and sometimes don't need to shut the airplane down if you're not actually staying and they're not visiting you. So the Bluetooth has been pretty nice for a few of those different things. So okay, so simple controls. Looks like just an on off Bluetooth button and a sort of push button, increase decrease volume on individual sides. So that's kind of nice. The Lightspeed headset had like slides for the volume control, and I found you caught them quite often. Maybe I have to hold a little longer. Oh, there we go. Oh yes. Yeah. Okay, there's either the songbirds are not singing anymore or I can't hear them because of this. So yeah, very happy with that. Cool. All right, I'm very excited. First new David Clarks in 15, 16 years. Looking forward to giving them a go tomorrow. Hope everyone's staying safe and getting lots of flying done. We should have some more interesting stuff coming soon. Get the teal out, get the acroduster out. That's what I got to get finished next. So talk to y'all soon, guys. Happy tailwinds.